met the required milestones as on March 2023, a need has arisen to ease the implementation challenges faced by the other UCBs. It has therefore been decided to extend the time frame for achieving the targets by 2 more years, that is up to March 2026. Further, urban cooperative banks, UCBs, which have met the targets as on 31st March 2023 shall be suitably incentivized. The next announcement relates to rationalization of the licensing framework for authorized persons under Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is FEMA. The licensing framework for authorized persons issued under FEMA was last reviewed in March 2006. Keeping in view the developments, including progressive liberalization under FEMA over the last several years, and to effectively meet the emerging requirements of the rapidly growing Indian economy, it has been decided to rationalize and simplify the licensing framework for these authorized persons. This is expected to improve the efficiency in delivery of foreign exchange facilities to various segments of users, including common persons, tourists, and businesses. The next announcement relates to expanding the scope and reach of e-rupee vouchers. At present, purpose-specific e-rupee digital vouchers are issued by the banks. It is now proposed to expand the scope and reach of e-rupee vouchers by permitting non-bank prepaid payment instruments issuers, that is PPI issuers, to issue e-rupee vouchers. It is also proposed to enable issuance of e-rupee vouchers on behalf of individuals and to simplify the process of issuance, redemption, and a few other aspects of the current framework. These measures will make the benefits of e-rupee digital voucher accessible to a wider set of users and further deepen the penetration of digital payments in the country. Next announcement relates to streamlining the Bharat Bill Payment System processes and membership criteria. The Bharat Bill Payment System, that is BBPS, is operational since August 2017. The scope of BBPS was further expanded in December 2022, that is December last year. To further enhance the efficiency of the BBPS system and to encourage greater participation, it is proposed to streamline the process flow of transactions and membership criteria for operating units. The next announcement, and I think that's the last one, relates to internationalizing issuance and acceptance of the RuPay cards. RuPay debit and credit cards issued by the banks in India are gaining increased acceptance abroad. It has now been decided to permit issuance of RuPay prepaid forex cards by the banks. This will expand the payment options for Indians traveling abroad. Further, RuPay cards will also be enabled for issuance in foreign jurisdictions. These measures will expand the reach and acceptance of RuPay cards globally. Let me now conclude, and there are some important messages in this concluding para, so I request again your patience for just a couple of minutes. We have made good progress in containing inflation, supporting growth, and maintaining financial and external sector stability. Despite 3 years of global turmoil, India's growth has bounced back and headline CPI inflation is easing. This confluence of factors gives us the confidence that our policies are on the right track. Nevertheless, we need to move towards our primary target of 4% inflation. It is always the last leg of the journey which is the toughest. I wish to emphasize that we will do whatever is necessary to ensure that long-term inflation expectations remain firmly anchored. The best contribution of monetary policy to the economy's ability to realize its potential is by ensuring price stability. The Reserve Bank will remain watchful and proactive in dealing with the emerging risks to price and financial stability. Let me end by recalling the inspiring words of Mahatma Gandhi. If we are determined, we shall find the way that leads us to our goal. Thank you. Namaskar.